Let's take up lesson number 29, and that is about logical thinking. So we need to think when we solve these questions. We need to think. Reasoning, when we have reason for something, we will think that what can be the possible reason for this thing that is written over in front of us. So we have to think and we have to relate the things. We have to make relations that how this thing can be related to this and how we can solve this problem. So thinking and acting wisely, there are two key features for problem solving. That firstly we have to think and then we have to act wisely according to that what may be the possible solution to the given problem. So apply your logical reasoning skill to solve these problems, and we have to solve some problems. Logic comes from a Greek word that means reason. That reason, logical reasonings, they observe and analyze any problem, and then they take reactions and the feedback they take, and they come to conclusion after proper analysis. And it is a good characteristic of problem solving, that whenever we face any problem, we should not just act in haphazard way in a hurry. We should think wisely. We should try to find out the logic of how this problem has happened and what can be the solution to this problem. So let us now try to identify the problems and try to solve them. So identify the odd one out. Question number 1, teacher, tutor, professor and student. We can very well clearly we can see that here the student will be the odd one because all other are tutors. They are teaching, only the student he is being taught. So he is odd one out here. Next one, serpent, snake, crocodile and whale. So out of these, whale will be the odd one out here because serpent is also a snake. Serpent is a big size, large size snake we can say. And snakes, we know snakes and crocodiles. The different thing about whale is that whale, it is an aquatic animal, and all these are serpents and crocodile and snakes, they may be terrestrial, or crocodile we know that it is amphibian, but snakes, they are also amphibians. The snakes also live in water sometimes. So we can say that here the answer will be whale because it is completely aquatic animal, and the snakes and crocodile, they are amphibians. Next, solve this. If d is equal to 4, cover is equal to 63, then basis is equal to, so if we look at this question we will not find anything. Then how is it possible d is equal to 4, cover is equal to 63? How is it possible? So we have to make a relation here. We have to relate the things, that what can be the possible relation. How is it? If he is saying d is equal to 4, then it is a clue for us. You will try to relate what is the position of d in the alphabet a b c d. It is at fourth number and it is given the value 4 here. And if we count the value of cover, if we go, we have 26 alphabets in the alphabet, we have 26 alphabets in total. So we will give the values to them. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, d is equal to 4. In this way, c is 3, o is 15, then v becomes 21, e is 5, r is equal to 18, and the total becomes 63. And in the same way we will try to find out the value of basis, basis, and here the value will be, b will be 2, a will be 1, s will be 19, I will be 9, and s will again be 19, and the value will be 50. So the answer will be fourth part, that is 50. In the same way we will try to find out the next. For the alternatives, does cap belong to a if a is equal to 1 and bat is equal to 23? Same is the case here. So the answer here will be, that is b part. Second question we are solving, dear student, find out which one of the following does cap refer to. So here the answer will be 1, that is 20. In the same way you will solve all these problems. If a soldier took gun, then blacksmith is to, then hammer. If air, atmosphere, then water, what will be there? Then answer will be drop. Then D part, arrange them according to the given clue in a row of girls. We have to see how many girls are there above and how many are below. So here The answer will be 17. We have to total. Then in second part the answer will be E. We have to arrange the things, we have to see, we have to give them position up and down.